So today we're going to walk through creating a photo collage in Canva and then uploading that collage to Facebook with links for each of the products. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to your Canva setup, and then we're going to actually just jump right into our recent design for What's the Big Deal Instagram. From here, what you're going to want to do is create a new, we're going to delete this when we were playing around with it. We're going to create a new page. So at the bottom, add a new page. And then what we want to do is over in the left sidebar, head over to Elements, Grids, and then you see all the different collage formats you have. So you have this one, which is just a normal square. It's just a frame. It's a normal square. You have a couple here that are side-by-side vertical, side-by-side horizontal. But you can see there's different options to choose from. So you want to basically pick one of these that's going to work for you and for whatever collage you're trying to create at that moment. We're going to pick one that has 3 photos because I have saved 3 photos to the computer. So we'll go with this one. And what you want to do here is you'll see there are 3 different photos. So there's a photo in the top left, a square, a photo in the bottom left, that's a square, and a photo in the right that is a long vertical rectangle. From here, what you want to do is upload the photos that you want to actually use in this collage. So I've saved 3 photos. I'm going to drag and drop them in. Alternatively, you can do upload an image, go to your downloads folder and grab the photo you want. I can get rid of this now. So basically now we have our 3 photos we're going to use. So it's a handbag, Birkenstock, and I don't know what this is, a necklace I think. So we can add these elements to the photo collage. So what you want to do, it's very simple. You're going to grab the photo you want to use and then drag it over top of one of the boxes, and it's going to just fill in automatically. You can do the same with the Birkenstock, and you can do the same with the necklace. So you see it fills it in automatically. Of course, these 3 photos really have not much to do with each other. They're just 3 examples I used. What you can do here is if you want to resize or realign where the photo is set up, what you want to do is you want to double click on the specific grid element. So for example, you know that this is a square grid on the top. If you double click that, you'll see that this lights up with this box. And what you're able to do now is drag this if you wanted to realign this photo. Click this one if you wanted to realign this photo or make it bigger, for example. So say we wanted to expand this one to get rid of those white lines at the bottom. Drag Jessica to the center. You'll see it can line up. Same with the Birkenstock, right? If we want to show the toe of the Birkenstock, we can just realign it this way. And you'll see because it's in a frame, it's going to automatically hide the pieces that are not visible by the frame. So the frame is only a square, so it's going to hide this piece that's kind of shaded here, the heel of the Birkenstock. That's how you create your collage. Once you have your collage in place, what you want to do is download that specific element. So it's page 5, the collage is. So we want to click download in the top right, select pages. We only want to download page 5, which is the collage. Hit done, and then hit download. Once it's downloaded, you'll see this pop up here. What's the big deal? Cool. So now we have our image. Now what we want to do is create a post that links to each of those products individually. So what we want to do is go to the What's the Big Deal Facebook page, hit create post. From here, you want to hit the little green photo/video button, and then add your collage. We're going to add the What's the Big Deal Instagram collage. And remember, we have the handbag, the Birkenstocks, and the necklace. So now we want to type some message. I'm going to do blah, blah, blah for now. And then we want to link to each of these products individually. So what we want to do is grab the URL from the What's the Big Deal page for that product. So we'll start with the handbag because that's the first one on the top left. So I'm going to navigate to What's the Big Deal, grab the information about this. I'm going to paste it here. And then right next to that, I'm going back to this page. I'm going to do a bit.ly link, copy the bit.ly link, and put it right next to the Ted Baker wallet information. Then I'm going to tab down and grab the Birkenstock sandal. And again, back here, grab the bit.ly link and put it right next to the words Cushionaire women's sandal. Finally, I'm going to grab the personalized name necklace. And you don't have to do just the title like I'm doing. I'm just doing it for convenience sake, but I would just make it clear what each of these links goes to. So now what you have is you have this collage, which has the handbag or the wallet, the Birkenstock, and the necklace. Up here, you have some message that you've written. And then you have links specifically to each of these products. So you have a link right here to the Ted Baker wallet. You have the link right here to the sandal, and you have a link right here to the necklace. What this allows people to do is see the photos of the collage and then decide, oh, I really like that necklace, or I really like that wallet, and they click on that one specific item versus having to click through and then try to find that item on the website. Simply from here, you're going to hit post, and I'm not going, actually I'll do it now just for an example, and I'll delete it. We don't need to publish an offer. So basically, that's how you'll see it render. And again, from here, people, if they were interested in this one item, could click through to the specific items and see those on your website. Let me know if you have any questions. Happy to help.